Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Microsoft Planner plans inside Microsoft Teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Join the team where you want to verify Microsoft Planner plans. Locate the channel where you expect to find the Planner plans. Click on the tabs area at the top of the channel. Look for the plus icon to add a new tab. Select Planner from the list of available apps. Choose to create a new plan or select an existing one. If you're creating a new plan, enter a name and description. Click Create to set up your new Planner tab. Now, let's view an existing plan. Select the tab that displays your Planner plan. You will see the tasks organized into different buckets. To check task details, click on any task within the plan. A panel will open showing more information about the task. You can update task status, assign members, and set due dates here. To add a new task, look for the plus Add Task option. Enter the task title and fill in the necessary details. Click on Add Task to save it to your plan. To rearrange tasks, simply drag and drop them into the desired bucket. You can also filter tasks by status, due date, or assigned member. For deeper insights, use the charts option available within Planner. This provides a visual overview of your team's progress. Explore all the features to fully utilize Microsoft Planner within Teams. Always keep your plans updated for better team collaboration. That's how you verify Microsoft Planner plans inside Microsoft Teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.